Okay. Is it recording?
Yes, I see
Hi,
it.
friends.
Cool.
Hi.
Hi, everyone. Zoom meeting for the group final project. Smart Notebook. I had to think of the name.
Yay.
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to start off with, so what grade are we going to teach?
I think 6th grade, social studies.
Yeah, it could be like 6th, 7th grade.
Yeah, like middle
social
school.
studies. Yeah.
Perfect. Okay.
And I think we're wanting to use the Smart Notebook to create like a game show sort of thing. So like we'll have half the room be like group A, and then the others half the room be group B. And then they'll just call in on the questions once the slides come in, and then whoever answers first wins a prize for their group, and then we'll have some sort of grand prize at the end.
Mm-hmm.
Something like that.
Yeah, I like that. That sounds super fun.
You're on mute. Yeah.
You're on mute, Tori.
I hate that.
So yeah,
Karen's
well,
gone
I guess two slides each, so that it will be at least 8,
Yeah.
10 slides maybe.
Okay. Yeah.
Am I still on mute?
No, you're good. You're good.
Okay, cool.
You're good.
So 2 slides each that we have to present. And then, so what specific topic are we thinking of? So we have social studies, but then there's like different sections within social studies. So what sounds nice?
Is it like world immigration or something? Is that what we decided?
I was thinking like founding fathers. That way, we can be like, name, we'll have like 4 people's names, and it'll be like, name the one person who didn't sign the Declaration of Independence. And, and then on the questions, it'll be like that. And then, like Bill Clinton will be the answer or whatever. But, because he obviously didn't. Yeah.
Like a multiple choice.
Yeah. And then, so,
like
either true or false or whatever.
Okay.
And we talked about finding a short video for the actual in-class lessons. So finding some sort of historical video about, like a 4 or 5 minute video, YouTube video about the founding fathers or the creation of the Declaration of Independence. And then we'll form our questions based on that video. So that way people can actually play the game while we are giving the presentation, or once we give the presentation.
Yeah, that's perfect. So we thought of so we have the activity, we have we're going to teach grade. Now, so what's our objective?
I think it's teaching both sides of history. Is my thing not working?
No, we can hear you.
Hear me?
Yep.
No, you can?
Yeah.
It's hard to tell. Okay. It wasn't like registering it. I think our objective is going to be to teach both sides of the American Revolution, both from like the British side and the American side.
Perfect.
Yeah. And we could even, Tori, you said that earlier, but we could have one side be British and the other side be the new
English
13 colonies or whatever.
Yeah.
And then that way it's like it creates that like rift between like the both sides, like how it was in the war, and like the prize, it like whoever wins is like who wins the war kind of thing.
So students will learn both sides. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I like that. And then what's the class time, like the length that we should? So class is 60 minutes, and if we chunk it out to be able to like teach a lesson, do the activities, how long should our lesson be? And then the activities.
I think probably about a good like half an hour, maybe a little like 20 minutes to half an hour, depending on how condensed we want to make the like that's how long we want to be actual like teaching an actual class instead of just a few slides.
Okay.
I think that'd be good. Is like just like a half a class period.
What if we did, here's the thing though, kids get bored right away. So if we, for example, if we start a class and we're giving a lesson the first 30 minutes, they're going to fall asleep. And especially like
no.
6th grade.
I was just thinking more of just like the whole entire time we're going to be teaching is going to be about that.
Like in total? Yeah. That's cool.
mostly just because then we can like do it for like one half of the class is for the American Revolution, the other half is for some other kind of project or something like that.
Well, and this is more of just like a condensed version. So like if we were actually teaching all of this to a classroom, it'd probably take like a week or two, or, you know, there might be other assignments and homework and stuff. This is basically just something that would take over for, so they didn't have to do a test.
This is just like a good introduction.
Perfect.
I think this is a good introduction because then it's like, it's saying this is how we're going to teach it kind of way. And like, we can go more into depth of like John Adams, Thomas Jefferson, that kind of stuff.
Yeah, this is like a quick overview of everything. We're not going to go too in depth about any of it.
Yeah. Mel is gone.
We lost Melanie.
Okay.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, good. Okay.
So, and then maybe when we're talking about that, we can talk about like the different ways that we're going to like teach our lessons. So if we're going to teach our lesson through a video, that's visually. We can do like verbally, we can do like physically, like they can make say that's just like examples of like how they like in the past, the way that they learned is this way, this way, this way. And that hits all the different like of like students' way of learning, because there's people that learn visually, which that will be the like YouTube video that we will show. But then we can explain like in other times we would teach with like, for example, making notes. That's kinesthetically. That's like with touching. And then the third one would be verbally. I don't know, different things. So we can do that. But like we'll show the video. We could show the video like in the class, like the actual class. Like, I don't know. Are we going to do that?
I think so. And then that way people can play too. So if we show a short video, base the questions that we make, we all make 2 questions, play it, you know, we'll say, this is basically a shortened lesson of what we'd be teaching in class. We'll have the actual college folks watch it. And then after that, we'll be able to play the game. And then hopefully they'll at least retain enough information to where they can play the game. And if not, you know, it still is just an example, you know.
Yeah, and I think we can, like, we're supposed to have, like, lines. We're supposed to be, like, interactive so you can actually move things around, like, objects and stuff. And we can definitely have, like, maybe 1 or 2 slides that has that, maybe part of the, whatever, I'm drawing a blank on the word, like the quiz or whatever that thing is. Because then it's like, oh, you can say like, oh, who's supposed to be on the British side? Who's supposed to be on the American side? And then like you drag and click to see who's supposed to be on what side. Because I know that's supposed to be one of the criteria for the assignment.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We could even have like, you know, early American flag and an old Union Jack and be like, connect who is on which side, you know, and attach the names to whichever flag on what side they are, or something like that.
Okay, well, should we then, we'll just check out Smart Notebook, get our video, and then make our game.
Yeah, like and then we'll just come up with the questions and put them in the Smart Notebook, and it should be easy enough.
I think next week we could actually, like, after class, we can meet and actually start putting it all together, because we can start putting our information together, and then next week can actually work on making the actual assignment. Yeah. And then we can just like dish it all out, so that way we have all information. We just have to like make the actual whatever this thing's called.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. That sounds perfect.
Cool.
That's all perfect. Right. So then I'll see you all next Thursday.
Yeah. All right. Thanks for meeting up, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
All right.